Hello everyone. Good morning to one and all present here and welcome to the wonderful world of English language. Guys, you know very well from the thumbnail that today we are going to discuss here all modals, and you must keep in mind that modals are those auxiliary verbs which cannot affect verb. It means that whenever you find a sentence in which you find that modals have affected the sentence, it means that the verb are only present in verb, the first form of verb. So let us start our first sentence. Our first sentence start with the modal. The first modal is can. For example, can I help you? He can speak English fluently. May I come in? Could you pass me the salt, please? You should not do this. It might rain tomorrow. Can I use your laptop? He may come today. We will see you tomorrow. You must go home now. What would you like? Tea or coffee? I could play the piano when I was a child. You should do your homework now. Would you please help me carry this bag? What should I do now? I need your advice. He could be busy at that moment. Would you like some rice? You should wear your uniform. You must wash your hands before you eat. I would like an ice cream now. What flavor would you like? Will you buy me an ice cream, please? It might just come true. Rita can assist me in this matter. I will meet you at the bus stand. You shouldn't eat too much. Do you need a break? You shouldn't throw garbage on the road. May I sit here? You should rest for a while. You should have done this. He used to go to the park often. You must attend school regularly. Will you go with me? May God bless you. You cannot go outside now. Could you have some water, please? He must apologize for his mistake. I'd like to say something. I need to ask you a question. She ought to wake up early in the morning. We have to finish his project by Friday. He has to write the letter. Will you give me her telephone number? How dare you to speak your father like this? Does he need to go there? Should I take the train or bus? May I drink water, ma'am? I will try my best. I hope all these sentences will definitely help you, and if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you really like this video, please share this video among your friends so that they can also watch this video and they can also be benefited after watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.